Replacement door installation in High Springs, Florida starts with choosing the right fit for the home or business, and local door specialists can help with replacement doors High Springs FL property owners need for style, security, and performance. From door replacement services to door installation contractor support, the process can include old door removal, new door fitting, and precise adjustments for a smooth finish. High Springs FL door replacement projects often involve secure replacement doors, energy-efficient doors, and durable materials that improve curb appeal while supporting comfort in every season. Replacement doors. High Springs is one of the most requested upgrades for homeowners seeking stronger security and better first impressions. High Springs entry door installation can include steel door replacement, fiberglass door replacement, wood door replacement, or vinyl door replacement, depending on the look and durability desired. For properties needing High Springs secure front doors, a licensed door contractor can provide entry door replacement that enhances safety, insulation, and long-term value while matching the architectural style of the residence. High Springs patio door replacement and High Springs sliding glass door replacement are ideal for improving access, natural light, and overall home function. Sliding door replacement often requires careful door frame replacement, smooth track alignment, and quality hardware so the door opens and closes correctly every day. For homeowners seeking High Springs energy-efficient door installation, modern patio and sliding options can reduce drafts, support climate control, and upgrade the appearance of indoor and outdoor living spaces. Interior spaces also benefit from professional interior door replacement and High Springs interior door replacement service when damaged, outdated, or poorly fitted doors need attention. Door repair and replacement can resolve issues with sticking, swelling, or worn hinges while improving privacy and flow throughout the property. High Springs residential door contractors can handle bedroom, bathroom, closet, and utility door projects with the same attention to detail used in larger exterior upgrades, ensuring the interior doors match the design and needs of the home. Commercial replacement doors. High Springs, Florida is essential for businesses that need dependable access, code-conscious installation, and a professional appearance. High Springs commercial door installers can manage storefront entries, back doors, office access points, and heavy-use systems with secure replacement doors built for frequent operation. Whether the project is an emergency fix or planned upgrade, commercial door replacement and door installation contractor services can support safety, efficiency, and a polished business image in Alachua County and surrounding areas. Front-facing upgrades like High Springs front door replacement and exterior door replacement can transform a property quickly while improving protection from weather and wear. High Springs exterior door replacement experts often recommend materials such as fiberglass door replacement, steel door replacement, or wood door replacement based on budget, maintenance preferences, and design goals. With old door replacement handled properly, the result is a tighter seal, better performance, and a more attractive entryway that fits the character of the building. High Springs storm door installation is a smart choice for homeowners who want added protection, ventilation, and another layer of energy savings. Storm door replacement can help shield the main entry from rain, wind, and debris while increasing airflow during mild weather. When paired with door frame repair or entry door replacement, storm solutions can improve the lifespan of the main door and create a more durable entry system for homes across High Springs, Florida. Custom door installation gives homeowners and property managers more control over appearance, sizing, and performance, especially when standard doors do not fit the opening or design plan. High Springs custom door services can include specialty finishes, unique glass configurations, and secure replacement doors tailored to the property. For new construction or remodeling, High Springs new home door installation provides a clean starting point with proper alignment, professional hardware setup, and seamless integration into the structure. Local door company support matters when timing, communication, and service quality are important, and High Springs replacement door installers offer responsive help for both planned projects and urgent needs. Same day, door service can be valuable when a damaged door creates a security concern or disrupts daily routine. From old door removal to replacement door installation, a trusted team can handle everything with efficient scheduling, accurate measurements, and dependable results for residential door replacement or commercial door replacement in the area. Affordable replacement doors. High Springs, Florida, should still deliver strong materials, correct installation, and lasting value for homeowners and businesses alike. High Springs door replacement in High Springs, Florida, can include door frame replacement, new door fitting, and matching the right style to the opening for better performance over time. Whether the project calls for High Springs old door replacement, High Springs door frame repair, or complete entry door replacement, experienced installers serving Gainesville near High Springs door services and Alachua County door replacement needs can deliver practical, secure, and attractive results.